I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of the fourth derivative from your practice sheet. Question is, determine derivative of f of x equals to x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 at x equals to 6. In this particular case, I will follow slightly different method. So what we will do is, first we'll find the value of the function at 6. So what is f of 6 equals to? Let's substitute 6 here. So I get 6 plus 2 over 6 minus 2, that is to say 8 over 4 or 2. So at 6 the y value is 2, right? So f of 6 is 2. That is first thing we found. Let us also find what is f of 6 plus h, because we'll be interested in the point very close to 6. So let us also find what is f of 6 plus h, right? So let's do it separately. That means x plus 6, right? X is replaced by 6 plus h, so that means 6 plus h plus 2 divided by 6 plus h minus 2, right? That is f of 6 plus h. So when you simplify this, you get 8 plus h over 4 plus h. Do you get that? So that is f of 6 plus h. You get the point, correct? And you also found that f of 6 is 2. Now we will apply difference quotient formula and we'll use these values, correct? So we say derivative at any given point, in this case the point is 6, will be equals to limit h approaches 0 for f of 6 plus h minus f of 6 divided by h, right? So when you have complicated functions, it is better to evaluate them and simplify them and then substitute them in the equation. So now we can write down limit h approaches 0. F of 6 plus h is this number, right? So we'll write that. So 8 plus h over 4 plus h, correct? Minus f of 6, which is 2. So minus 2 divided by h. Do you see that? So that is how we are going to simplify it. So at this stage we can cross multiply and write this as limit h approaches 0. So this is like kind of treat this as 2 over 1, fine. So you cross multiply. So you get 8 plus h for the left side minus 2 times 4 plus h when it gets multiplied. And in the denominator, this comes in the denominator. So it is h times 4 plus h. Do you understand? So that is how the function is going to look like. So now let us expand it. So limit h approaches 0, 8 plus h minus 8 minus 2h divided by h times 4 plus h, correct? So this could be written as limit h approaches 0. You have to write limit h approaches 0 all the time, right? So 8 minus 8 is 0 and h minus 2h is minus h. So we get minus h here, and the denominator we have h times 4 plus h. At this stage you can cancel these and you get limit h approaches 0 equals to minus 1 over 4 plus h. You get the idea? Now you can substitute h equals to 0 and you get your answer as minus 1 over 4. And therefore f dash at 6 is equals to minus 1 over 4. Right? So these are the steps involved. If you separately calculate, you'll have simpler numbers to work with. So that is what is preferred. I hope this technique helps you to get correct answers for any rational function like this. Thank you and all the best.